The workshop, one of the themes that it's focused on is international trade and development, and how South-South exchanges and cooperation, as opposed to South-North or North-North exchanges, shapes and reshapes the world economy.
I think this workshop is really important in a couple of different ways. One is the group of people that they've drawn together to be here, but also in the agenda that they've put together in looking across the thematic issue areas of trade and law and institutions and militarism and climate justice. So taking a really wide and holistic view of the challenges facing the world, but then also structuring the whole conversation around these 5 questions that are around not only who benefits, who loses, but also the questions of, well, who and where are the margins, and what might progressive alternatives and futures look like?
The first exercises we started with this workshop is an attempt to put under question the very notion of the global South, as it does not command any kind of consensus, given that it has a history to it, you know, coming from the non-aligned movement and discussion in the 60s and the 70s about the global order, what kind of global order should emerge and should prevail.
The workshop already speaks for itself in terms of the kind of the quality of participants and the possibility to have a space for critical voices from all over the world to come together.
So eye-opening for me the first time I've been in Doha. We really have a lot to learn about how this institute can stitch together such diverse forces. You show us how to do it. We're in great debt to you, and we hope that you keep moving forward in this direction.